So in problems 11 and 17, we're asked to turn Egyptian numerals into our numeration system and then reverse, take our number 2045 and turn it into Egyptian symbols. So we've got one of these 10,000s, and then we've got two of these thousands, and we've got three of these hundreds, and we've got four of these tens, and we've got one of these ones, and we can add that up, and we probably should add that up, but we don't really need to, because if we think about the place values here, this is the 10,000s place, the thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So we're going to need 1 in the 10,000s place, we're going to need 2 in the thousands place, we're going to need 3 in the hundreds place, we're going to need 4 in the tens place, and we're going to need 1 in the ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, which is what all this would add up to. But I just don't feel like adding. I think it's faster to do this. So here we're going to need 2 thousands, and for the life of me, I don't really know how to draw the thousands. There's probably a better approach, but I'm making it look sort of like that, like two little things with a flag on top or something. I don't know. 0 I don't need to worry about. I need 4 of the tens. The tens, thank goodness, seem kind of easy. And I need 5 of the ones. And those are kind of easy. So this would be 2045 in the Egyptian numeration system. Sadly, 17 wasn't a book problem, so I guess I just did that one for free. 16 was a book problem. It's a little easier. We're going to have 2 of these hundreds, which I can sort of write. And then we have 4 of the tens. And we have 2 of the ones, and we're done. Let's go to Roman numerals next. The next part of section 4.1 is to do a similar kind of conversion between Roman numerals and our numeration system. And so as long as Roman numerals are going downhill, 1,000, 500, 150, 10, you add. So these two m's, we don't have any small in front of big. They're both 1,000, so that's just going to be a couple thousand. Now D, C, those are in order again, so it's going thousands, and then 500, and then 100, so that's adding. 500 and 100 is 600. But now it's going 10, 50, so it's starting to go back uphill. That means there's a subtraction going on. This isn't 50 plus 10. If it was LX, it would be 50 plus 10, but it's LX, so it's 50 minus 10. Whenever the small is in front of the big, there's a subtraction going on there. So 50 minus 10 is 40, and then plus 2. So we have 2,642 for a final answer. Here we've got to build 43 up into Roman numerals, and we really can't do the 40 this way because there's a limit of 3 of one thing. And so we simply can't do that. So how do we get the 4 in the 43? Well, I'd like you to think about that a little bit, but it seems like 50 comes pretty close, so couldn't we do a 50? And if I put a 10 here, that'll make 60, because 50 and 10, big, small, is adding. But 10, 50 in Roman numerals, small, big, that's subtracting, so this is just 40. As it stands, that's 40. So Super Bowl 40, which was a while ago, would be XL. If I want 3, I can use 3 I's. I'm not making the I's, I'm too lazy, but there we go. XL 111 or XLIII would be 43.